Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Thursday, June the 6th, 2024. 80 years ago. Uh, yeah, today is also the Memorial Day of D-Day because D-Day started 80 years ago. In today's newspaper, we have three regular puzzles: the Three Stars, the Four Stars Sudoku, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. And those puzzles are 7 extra puzzles: letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. And what's the news of today? It's today also the European election day. Not in all countries, but our country will be the first European election day. Alright, let me start with the first one. The Sudoku with 3 stars. And this one will be number 866. 4, I believe. Yeah, 8664. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. 26, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Yeah. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Alright. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the one in this column? The one in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left, the one should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. Need a 1 there. Need a 1 here. Cannot continue with 1. How about the 4 in this column? 4 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for A should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 3 places left for 4 should be here, here, or there. We have 4 in this row, first row, no 4 there. 4 in the third row, no 4 there. The only place left for 4, A should be there. Okay. 4, 4. 4, 4. Cannot continue with 4. Let's go back to the 1. The 1 in this third row, 1 in the first row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay, cannot continue with 1 now. Here we have also a 1 over there. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the 3, the 5? Yeah. We have here 5 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 8. We have 7 and 8 in this big square, so no 7 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. So now, 2, 6, 9, okay. 9926. Cannot continue. Alright. Let me think. Well, 4, 5. Well, in this row, we have 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, and look, we have a 4 and a 5 in the second column, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 6 then. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column. The only place left 6 should be there. 1, 1, okay, 1, 1. Then, let me see, we have a pair here in this big square. 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, and look, we have a 1 and a 3 in the third column, so no 1 and a 3 in this box. 1 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. So we have a 3 in the third column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left with 3 should be there. Now, in this column, one of the missing numbers is a 4. Well, we have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 4 in the first column should be there then. So 1 digit left in this row for number 5. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. In this big square, we have 8 in this column. First column, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in the second column. 4 numbers, the 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9, 9. 7, 8, and 4. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left with 4 is should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes there. Alright. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, and only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in the last column, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. How about a 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Then 5 in this last row, 5 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Well, need a 5 there. How about? Do I have all the 4s? Yeah, and all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright, how about the 1? 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and 3, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. and all the ones I used I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Alright. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers to 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We have 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes at there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers to 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Alright, the 9. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers to 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. How about 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. 3, 3. Interesting. How about this? No. The 9. Yeah, the 9. Need a 9 and the 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers to 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in the row below, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And then 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers to 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers to 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 in the last row, 6 in this row. So the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 6. We have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the last column. 4 numbers to 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers to 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for 2 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers to 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. I think it's a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. The 4 Star Sudoku and the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.